Hello epic family, welcome to channel. So today we are going to cook a dish that has a very old history in world cuisine. It's a very delicious non-veg dish. So how we can cook at home very simple way and very delicious. So watch the video till end and you will have a very good recipe of this dish. What we need first is wheat and we soak in water for 30 minutes or 40 minutes because we need to clean this very good. So the first step is this is 400 gram wheat. Can just like this with water and need to clean. And this is a very authentic and very delicious, you can say that, soup. Now we will use grinder. And you need to remember that without water. And now we will we no need to make paste. Just crush little bit, it helps to remove this skin. Yes. And now let it little bit dry. This one we need to now soak in water for 6 to 8 hours.
Daily 150 gram.
So now we need some lentils. This is chana dal, 150 gram. Now we will soak this with wheat. So here we soaked wheat and we will add this lentil here also for 1 hour. Now we need to mix 3 type of lentils. Red lentil we need 150 gram. And this we need 2 other lentils. One is white, this one, this 50 gram,
and 50 gram.
this one, this also 15 gram, and we need to soak this for 1 hour. 50 gram,
50 gram
rice, any type of rice you can use. Soak into water for 1 hour. We will put this pressure cooker and meat maybe 1.5 kg. Onions 200 gram. Ginger garlic paste. And right now do not add water, only just mix with this because we wash meat and the salt. 1 bay leaf. Cloves 10-15. Black pepper 20-25 gram. Cinnamon 2 big for good aroma. 3 big cardamom. 7-8 green elaichi. Green cardamom. 1 star anise. Zira. Mix very well. Javit, turmeric, coriander powder, red chili, 2 spoons. Mix very well, and now we will little oil, spoon oil, 2 big spoon oil. Mix again. तकरीबन हाफ लीटर वाटर. And meat, you need all type of meat with bones or without bone also. Little bit fat. It will cook for, or it will let it cook for 15 minutes. That's it. Just now we will check this. Yes, all mutton is soft. Now we will move to next step. So we will take this oil out, and how we will use this oil I will tell you later. So we will take this oil. So mutton we put in the another pot, and now we will this wheat and this lentil.
2 किलो के लगा
1 liter water.
1 से 1.5 लीटर डालते हैं.
We will add only little salt, turmeric.
ज़्यादा डालेगा 50.
Then let it boil.
आप इसे चेक
So
करें.
now we will check this. Yes. This.
इसको अब ये देखते हैं देखना ये है. अब इसको घोटा लगेगा यूँ.
Now we need to mash like this, and now we will boil this lentils. So this wheat and lentil we shift in this, and now here we will boil other that 3 lentils and rice, onion and green chilies, turmeric, coriander powder, red chili, salt, and now add this lentils, and we will boil this. So let it boil for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it is also done. Now we will move to next step. This is the main thing, wheat, and now we will mix all this. First we add these 3 lentils and rice.
उसके बाद जाएगा ये.
Now we will mix this
जो कोरमा
wheat.
बनाया था.
Korma that we cook.
इसकी फिर से होगी मिक्सिंग है ना अच्छे से.
And now we need to mix very well, and after this final things I will
मिर्च
tell you.
वगैरह सब मिक्स हो लेता है.
So mix like this very well, and after this we will add little water for consistency also, something like soup, but this is a thick soup. Then mix and add water. Do not add one time.
बस इतना और डाल देते हैं फाइनल.
Yes. So we need consistency like this. So this much is water, and if you want little more like soup, you can add little more water, but I think this is enough. So this called Haleem, and
जैसे ही पकड़े.
in India this is also a very famous dish.
अब इसमें जाएगा तड़का.
हो गया मम्मी?
हाँ हो गया.
हो गया बस.
Ready?
वेरी गुड.
Little bit garam masala.
तड़का लगाएंगे ना. अभी तो इसको डाल के मिक्स करेंगे.
And this oil. And now we will prepare tadka for this. So tadka with oil. Onion. And chopped little cilantro. Fresh green coriander.
क्या है ना ब्राउन.
So this is your Haleem is ready. Now serve with love and lemon, because lemon is most important thing for this. Try this simple, easy and amazingly tasty Haleem recipe. Hope you will love this recipe, and don't forget to add lemon when you serve with your love, because lemon is most important thing with this. Some people like to eat this with rice also, so you can try this, or you can eat this like soup. Stay safe, stay healthy, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe. Take care. Allah Hafiz.